Nonprofit healthcare group forced to make some staffing cuts after budget cutbacks says the improving state revenue picture could be good news. While it's been a difficult year for Aware, John Amy reports there is some hope on the horizon.
The $49 million budget cut to the state's human services has forced the Anaconda-based healthcare provider Aware to cut up to 30 positions.
We've definitely had to compensate for that to make up some of the drastic cuts, especially to community services like mental health and DD case management.
These are just the latest cuts for the nonprofit that's already made cuts earlier this year.
So it's been about 100 total, and I would say roughly we have 2,500 less people receiving services from Aware today than we did in January 1st.
Aware tried to streamline its operations when the budget shortfall was first announced.
We went to virtual offices. We had flexible work hours so people could work more closely with the family and what times work for them. And we gave it our best shot, but under the current rates, we just could not make it work.
And while this has been a difficult year for Aware, there is some hope on the horizon. Governor Steve Bullock announced this week he plans to reverse $45 million in budget cuts, which could be helpful for the folks here at Aware.
We've been dying for some good news, so we are definitely excited to hear that revenues are up, and the governor and Director Hogan recently announced that they are going to be able to put some money back towards unwinding these cuts from the legislature.
But just when and how is yet to be determined. In Butte, John Amy, MTN News.
If Aware doesn't get help, they say about 450 people with mental health issues could lose services through the organization.